Fix in 5. P0491. Secondary Air Injection System Malfunction, Bank 1. Emission Control V. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, rough idle or hesitation on cold start, increased exhaust emissions, potential reduction in fuel economy, no drivability symptoms in many cases, code may be silent. Now the most likely causes. Faulty secondary air injection pump. Failed check valve in air injection system. Clogged or blocked air passages. Cracked or disconnected hoses or lines. Wiring or connector issues to pump or solenoid. Here's how a pro pins it down. Do not replace the air pump immediately. Many faults are D. Always check all hoses and valves for carbon buildup BFO. Do not ignore electrical and vacuum connections. Vacuum L. Follow OEM procedures for component testing, don't guess. Clear the code and retest after repairs to confirm the ISS. How to fix it. Replace secondary air injection pump if faulty or non-operational. Replace or clean check valves if blocked or failed. Repair or replace damaged hoses and air lines. Clean clogged air passages and filters in the injection system. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly 80 to 130 euros doing it yourself, or 200 to 250 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, will P0491 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0491 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0491. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.